How crappy is your webcam? I mean, are we talking that 720p life, 2009? Like, what are we working with here? Do you need an upgraded webcam? Well, like most of us, you probably do. And I got a pretty cool product here from EMEET. It is the S800 webcam, and it shoots in that glorious 4K. And here it is, quick little unboxing right there. Nice little protective wrapping around there. And again, this was sent to me by EMEET, so I appreciate y'all. And this is kind of made for streaming. It's pretty cool. It does have HDR as well, which is nice. Shoots in 4K. You can also shoot 1080p 60, which is great. And it has built-in microphones as well. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some comparing with this with my mirrorless camera as a live stream camera and just how the image quality looks. So let's give this a quick little unboxing here. Nice small packaging. And yeah, oh, the camera it's nice. It's a little bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Just right away, what I really like too is kind of this open and close, like iris blocker you can put on, so you can close it up if you don't want, you know, the government checking you out or just weird people on the internet watching you somehow. I think somehow people can do that. I don't know how. I saw it in a movie, so it's probably true. So that's nice. So you can just do that, and it opens and closes the iris, so people can see or can't see you. Seems to have some kind of fans in the back, which is nice. A nice USB-C input, which I like. There's nice because there's a threaded hole right here, so you can actually use it on a like on a tripod. It also has kind of a clip, so you can clip it onto the top of your monitor, so we'll try that as well. But it feels really good in hand. It's nice quality. Just first impressions of it are like it. I like the heft, and it's a little bigger than I thought, which means the sensor is probably better, and it'll actually, you know, perform pretty well here. So, but we will see. We'll have to see what it does. I haven't tried it yet. And then you also just get a nice USB-C cable to USB-A and some instructions. So I like how they kind of keep the packaging very minimal. This is all, you know, recyclable because it's just cardboard. Some nice instructions in a couple of different languages. The USB that you need to plug it in. Pretty excited to try this out. And again, the main comparisons we're gonna do is just kind of how it looks. I think you do get 10-bit, which is pretty awesome, which really helps just in kind of crappier conditions. Like right now I'm super backlit. I have lights, but still these are 10-bit cameras I'm shooting with, so they can do this properly. If this wasn't a 10-bit camera, this shot would look pretty crappy. So excited about that. And it's really fun turning on and off this little off, on, off, on, off, on. I'm excited to try this out, and again, thanks to EMEET. If you want to check them out, click the link in the description, and it's much appreciated. So let's get to testing this guy and see how it compares to the glorious Sony's. It does have a Sony sensor, which is pretty awesome, and see if it's gonna be good for you in your web streaming webcam life, so you can get out of that 720p 2009 nonsense. And we're live with the EMEET S800. We have opened up the software, and as you can see from first glance, it looks pretty good. You can really tell just with the 4K, kind of just the sharpness there, and the actual 10-bit, you can tell that as well, just because there are some highlights like up there, and then even over here, where even though it is, the composition in terms of exposure is pretty nice, there's a lot of white kind of over here and just colors that really, that 10-bit really gives you all that information. When you only have 8-bit, it can struggle, especially in areas down here where it's a lot of darkness, and over here where it can get kind of dark. But really my first impressions are, wow, I'm like pretty blown away.